pergola. He's going to show us that inside there. Thank you.
That is cool.
Yeah, I think this is cool.
This is for a pergola, but you can install these in a house.
In a house, okay.
And
What about a screen system?
Everything works in layers as you install it.
Oh, okay. Install it in a house. Can you do a screen? Do they have a screen application?
I don't know if you can have a screen in there.
Can you? Good.
I'm doing good right now. Can you have a screen in here installed as well? So like if you open the top window and then you got fresh air coming in?
Screen? What if it was motorized?
No, if it was in the house.
Yes.
If we put this window in the house, is there a screen attachment that can go in here?
You can do only in front here, full.
Oh, full one, yes.
Not just because look, there's
Which would do the same
stack
thing. Yeah, you could have a screen from this point up.
Yes.
Correct?
On the face here.
Yeah.
You can install here.
Oh, right on the
you can
side.
have mosquito screens, so you pull it all the way here.
Oh, so your phantom screen that you
Motorized, or we have the same one manual. This is for projection. 3D
Oh, yeah. Cool.
When it is blind, we have track here, so it doesn't move and there is no air space.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That'd be nice for
But
No
that's for
mosquito
3D
space.
Projection. Yeah.
this would be nice for a projector watching the football.
Well,
game
that's
or
what he
something.
said it is. The projector. Yeah, is that ever cool?
Okay, this is our entry level. This is the manual. Something like that would cost around 7K. This is manual, but it also can be manufactured motorized, same one.
Okay.
It adds only 500 motor fee.
You know, I was talking to you guys last year about this.
Yes.
I remember that number. Yeah. And then you also had something. Actually, you had this machine
yeah,
here too.
yeah.
Yeah, we have that. This is a step up. Our aluminum thickness is very thick. We use 4 millimeter. All the other companies use 2 millimeter. So same thing on our loom. It's very
Why
thick.
did you change it to double thickness? Were they having issues?
No, to make it weather resistant. We have a lot of customers.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, this is really cool.
I like this. 'Cause it, yeah,
We can make the motorized also this one.
Yeah, like this here, right? Yeah.
that's amazing.
Whatever you want. Like if something happens, you just use it.
That's amazing.
And it's, yeah, weather resistant, hail proof. Hail proof,
Yes.
hurricane proof,
Hurricane, like a
tornado proof.
Not really.
No, not really.